Bro is over here just rollerblading in the street. Whoa! Woo. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody had a great 4th of July holiday. Today we're gonna do a little bit of a range test. I was sitting at home doing some editing, and the day was kind of passing by a little bit. I was like, you know what, man, I need to get out and ride a little bit, so try to get some content for you guys. So my goal is to make it over to Burbank. It's about 10 miles one way, so it's gonna be about a 20-mile ride for us tonight. It was way too hot earlier to ride, so we're gonna cruise a little bit tonight. Probably not gonna do too much talking in this video, guys. I just want you guys to kind of enjoy the ride. Hopefully we don't get stranded. 52 volt battery, 20 amp hour on the Revv 1. Let's see what we can do. So again, welcome back for another video, another episode. Enjoy. Oh, also, I will be doing a little bit of pedaling in this video. I will not be going full throttle the whole time. Because like I said, I really don't want to get stranded tonight. Just don't feel like it. Don't feel like today is a good day to get stranded. So we will be doing a little bit of pedal assist and working that in and maximizing the range. Yeah, I know I said I wasn't going to talk too much in this video, but I was just thinking, damn, I wish I would have went to a cookout today. I know somebody has some cookouts going on today, boy. I know y'all did, man. I know y'all had some burgers on the grills. Hopefully y'all got some good food today, man. Wanted to get over here a little bit right before sunset, but because this would be such a nice view up here with the mountains and everything. When we get up here to the bridge, you guys will see. I waited too late though. I started too late, guys. Still a nice view though. Alright, made it up to the bridge, guys. Made it up to the bridge. Let's see how we do on the uphill. Come on, baby. Come on, come on, come on. 27. We're still good. We're still good. Nice. That view, guys. Ah. I don't know if y'all saw that view, but it was beautiful. Beautiful view. Couldn't really look, but trying to make sure we got over. A lot of cars behind us right now, but hey, we have officially made it to Burbank. We're already in Burbank, but we've made it to our destination, so nice. Guys, we made it over to the Burbank Mall. Still got 4 bars of battery. I'm not gonna cruise around here too much. We are gonna loop. We are gonna loop around the street here, so you guys can see a little bit of the area. This is downtown Burbank. I think we might go down that way actually, and then we'll come back this way. What's up, buddy? How you doing? No problem. Nice night out tonight. A lot of people out. 4th of July. Enjoying the holiday. Alright, let's go ahead and take a cruise back. Funny when I'm pedaling next to cars and I'm doing the same speed as them. Good times. At 34 miles per hour, 35, passing the bus. why that dude pulled out in front of me. I got my headlights on. Ain't no way he didn't see me coming. Oh, another one over there, guys. More fire. Oh, nice. Oh, hopefully you guys can see that over there. More fireworks. Oh, trying to catch these fireworks. Somebody over here setting them up. Wow, guys, we went all the way to Burbank. I might put up a map so you guys can see. Nice. See, we got 18 miles. So yeah, right on the dot. I think I said about 10 that way, 10 back. So yeah, about 19 miles or so we'll end up doing. Good range. Still 3 bars of battery too. Whoa! I don't know if you guys saw that over there. Hold on. Hold on. We can't end it yet. We gotta loop over there and see what's going on. Oh. So this is where they were sending off the fireworks. See if I can get a better view for you guys. Woo. Alright guys, I think this is a perfect way to end off the video. Again, happy 4th of July to you. Thank you for tuning in for another episode. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe to the channel. And of course, as always, I'll see you in the next one.